So, here we are again, once again. Sorry about the embarrassing things I did last night. That was the bar, okay? So, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am Jello Bernas, and I have been good friends with Jaffe and Juck for quite some time now. Like Jaffe, I will keep my speech short and sweet. I have known Jaffe for quite some time now, and the two of us are pretty close, I would say. Now, Jaffe briefed me months ago about this speech that I'm about to give. Sabi niya, bawal daw ganito, bawal daw ganyan, wag ko daw siya ipahiya, keep it PG, and wag ko daw siya ilaglag. Wag daw ako magsabi ng anything na masama tungkol sa kanya. So, with that, ladies and gentlemen, I wish you all a wonderful night. And best wishes to the I'm kidding. Okay, so here we go. Okay, let me start with a few words. Malandi. Maharot. Ang yabang maglakad. At gwapong-gwapo sa sarili. Okay. When I met Jaffe almost 20 years ago, these were my first impressions of this guy. I remember seeing him on our first day of freshman year in high school. Lakad varsity sa hallway. Wearing his single-strap backpack, inis na inis ako sa tao na to dati kasi every time he sees a mirror, lagi yan nag-aayos ng buhok. With matching pout and side-eye na inaakit yung sarili niya. So, high school was an absolute fun time for us and our barkada. We would try out new things and have new experiences together. I remember there was this one time that we were dating girls from the same school, and Jaffe, having had a girlfriend before me, daming binigay na advice sa akin. Dapat daw, lambingin ko lagi. Dapat daw, tingnan ko straight sa mata pag mag-hi ako and smile. Okay? Lingering looks daw. Pag magbeso daw ako, tagalan ko konti. Ah. Pero, dampi lang. Make the girl feel secure. And, when I would say I love you daw, enunciate that I love you. I love you. He would tell me all these things about acts of service and kung ano dapat gawin kahit na we were both 14 years old at the time. So sa loob-loob ko, ano ba naging childhood nito? Ang dami na niyang alam at 14. Although, I remember one time, it was my first anniversary with an ex-girlfriend and I didn't know what to do. From Ateneo, Jaffe and I took a trek to Katipunan, walked and rode the MRT to Trinoma, bought shoes, then rode the LRT, going to Greenbelt to buy flowers, walked the streets of Makati from Ayala all the way to Virufino, just to spread flower petals on my ex's bed and write a cheesy line from an emo song. After that, we didn't know how we were gonna go home kasi wala na kaming pera parehas. So, we walked to our friend's house all the way in Dasma just for us to get dropped off back in Katip. Grabe yung effort niya sa anniversary ko up to the point na paisip ako kung pati yung girlfriend ko nilalandi niya dati. So, now, the entire time, both our feet were painful already. We were hungry and tired, but I didn't hear one single complaint from Jaffe. I didn't ask him to go with me. Kaya masala ko napaisip kong nilalandi niya. But he actually volunteered to go and drop everything, just like that. That's how selfless this guy is. At an early age, I knew his heart was in the right place, and he will go out of his way to make you feel okay and to reassure you. Throughout the years and growing old together, he has been the same person for all of us. These are only some of the things that I have observed about him that gives me great confidence that the marriage that Jaffe and Jot just formed will be a strong one. I know that this guy will always fight for love and will go out of his way to make Jot's everyday special. I remember when he first told our barkada, the B-boys, that he wanted to propose to Jot. Us boys didn't even ask him why he already felt that way towards her and what was it about her that made him want to marry her. Actually, it was everything about Jot and her effect on Jaffe that said it. In the almost 20 years of being best friends, I have never seen my brother as happy as he has been the past couple of years, let alone today. So, I asked them both, so nung friends pa lang ba kayo, may mga lingering looks ba? May mga high ba na nakatitig sa'yo and nakasmile? May mga beso ba na may feelings? Na feeling mo na secure ka? And true enough, they both said yes. So what does that mean? 18 years later, that 14-year-old boy, nagwapong-gwapo sa sarili niya, still pulled off the same moves he taught me and married the girl of his dreams. So to Jaffe and Jot, I wish you both a lifetime of happiness and blessings. Congratulations to the both of you. Jot, lalandiin ka na forever. Cheers to the newly wed couple. Thank you.
Cheers, everybody!